Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Subsu, Joseph Lin, along with Alice. Here we are to teach you some practical phrases. And this whole month is all about what's wrong. 怎么了？
用板黑毛，
用板黑毛 or
用诶，
用诶。如果我跟你的话，就一定是用用诶就好了。
用诶呀，
比较熟的人才会还用诶嘛，对不对？
对。
Okay, if you're closer to someone, you can just use a simpler term,用诶。Okay, today let's put people in a situation. Let's say you're dining out or maybe at the dining table and you see your friend or your sister, brother, whoever is not eating too much. 有时候看到一个人没有吃太多饭哦，总会问一下
搞不好他真的有心事，心情不好。
Okay, how about let's say you're not eating too much and people are asking you what's wrong? 饭怎么剩那么多？怎么了？ Why are you not eating? What's wrong?
饭用杯存暗斗。
饭用杯存暗斗。OK, 饭怎么会剩那么多？春啊，春。
对，就是剩。
Okay, why are you leaving so much rice in the bowl, basically, right?
用板黑毛。
用板黑毛 we just taught you that. What's wrong? I'm not in the mood, so I don't have the appetite. 就心情不好，没什么胃口。
心香唔好。
心香唔好。
嘴唔覺。
嘴唔覺。Good 啊 good。Good 啊 good。good 掉几杯酸溜怎么在搞？为什么在挖东西啦？
没有胃口，
真的没有胃口。嘴唔夠，不前面心香，心香就是心情吗？ OK， 心香 that means my mood 唔好就是不好嘛。
对，
但是我觉得心情不好，尤其是心情不好，饭更应该要吃，对不对？如果是生病，或许真的没办法，还是要健康一点。You should still eat. OK, how do you say that? 饭还是要吃。
饭含黑愛吃啦。
饭含黑愛吃啦。
然后海陆腔的吃 should
微微的不一样而已。
有卷舌音。
一个是 sit， 一个是 shit, which is two different dialects for eating. All right, let's review these vocabularies such as leftover, 剩存 and then how about your mood, 心情
心香
and finally you gotta eat, okay? 吃 sit, okay? And it's all about asking someone what's wrong with you? And if they're really not eating, you really should ask, okay? 怎么了？
用板黑毛
or 用诶。And that does it for another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼太嘎？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.